This is my first time to make a gingerbread.
Which is also super nice.
Look at this noodles. La casita de la abuelita. Check this one out. We're gonna do a little quick unboxing. So let's do this. Okay guys, Mabuhay. Disclaimer, all the products that I'm going to show you are not sponsored, okay? So this one I just took out from the box. I got 2 pairs of shoe from Guess, kitten heels. So these are so cute. I got one black, very staple and very classy. I just also got another color. It's the same, but it's color white. And it's kitten heels right here. Saw the logo. So they're both silver hardware. I love the design. Okay, let's do this one here. This is not fashion, but I love cooking, so I got 2 pans here. This is a cast iron skillet. It's too heavy. This is 8-inch, and this is 6.5-inch. And I got this one, their lipstick of Pat McGrath. This is the Matte Trends number 57. This is the Fever Dream. And this one, the color white, is the Fembot Matte Trends number 20. Oh, look at this. It's so pretty. Is it magnetic? Oh, this is not magnetic. It's a glossy black bullet with gold rims with a heart charm at Pat McGrath Lab, which is a match my necklace. This is so pretty. Thank you. Thanks, babe. Cheers! Oh, this is good. We're buying wines. We always like boxes, and then we try different kinds of wine, and if we love the wines, we mark it up. So in the next order, we have it at same brand. So we got this, the outdoor flameless candles. It is not real candles, but it looks candles. You know what I mean. And also the candles got remote control included. We got different sizes. We got the tall one here, like this one, tiny one here. So I wanted like to scatter that somewhere, you know, mostly Christmas season. It's so romantic. It's a Charles Keith bag. I've ordered for, I forgot the name, but if I'm not mistaken, this is Philomena Designs. It's a very affordable bag. Okay, it comes with dust bag, but if I'm not mistaken, I ordered an extra dust bag because I am not so sure if there is a dust bag included. It's kind of like so decent, cute canvas with a black ribbon. And let's see this one. Okay, it's so tiny. Oh yeah, I know. I remember it now. This is, they called it like the half moon. And it's a wrinkled leather. Oh, if you just see it. Oh my God, these are so pretty. Of course, I love gold. This is gold hardware. But so far, I'm amazed with the quality already. Look at this. There's like a gold chain. It's a 2 zipper that you can swing it on back and forth. Let's see if there is included the dust bag too. Oh, there is. Oh, it's actually included the dust bag. But I bought an extra one. You see the difference of this one? The one included in the bag. Look at this. It's just like the grayish. But the one that I bought separate, this is so classy, the black one. Even their ribbons is so classy. It's like a fabric inside. There's like 1, 2, 3 hard pocket there. That's it. No more other pocket. Oh my God. There's a 3 straps included. Wow. Oh, this is really a good deal. Oh my God. Like there's a skinny one here, and then there's like a thicker one, and then there's also the chain strap that is not removable. And also this one, you can use it as a accent of the bag if you decided to put a strap. The gold here looks like the antique gold. So this one is a shoulder bag. So pretty. Or a crossbody bag. Look at this. So this is a Charles Keith bag, and I think that's it. That was like, we're kind of like super quick unboxing. So I love this bag. So cute.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
La casita de la abuelita. It's a house of run. That's gonna be a different. Okay, I hope the gingerbread is here now. Okay, what it's inside. You have sprinkles. This is the icing pouch. And colors. More candies here. Feliz Navidad. Oh, this is an extra. I don't have this.
Oh, because you have this.
Oh, is this there? Oh, mine is different. This is my first time to make a gingerbread.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep.
Yeah, this is not a Christmas house. It looks like a Christmas. It's like horror on Christmas Eve. This one just should put in a Met Museum. This is a world-class art. What I did here.
You'll be sure to know.
Look at this. Oh, look at my engineer. See, this is very, very like hole in the wall.
Open.
Yeah, it's open. We did an unboxing this morning and then we done already the gingerbread house. And now we're having dinner. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Pretty excited. It's 2 days before Christmas. I hope every one of you having a great holiday so far. So we're here at, let's say that Western Chinese Xi'an famous food financial district. So we're on Friday right now. Look at my nails. Did you like it, babe? So it's pretty sick. I'm still not feeling okay. I'm having this migraine since yesterday, and it's almost Christmas, so I need a little more rest, I think. And then
support.
Yeah, and you gave that emotional support that I needed. I don't have any cravings. Also, I haven't eaten anything as far as the hors d'oeuvres during the gingerbread making. Hey. Smells good. This is a handful of noodles. Look at this noodles. Oh, it's super hot, babe. Very hot. Okay, it's different, no? There's like a vinegar in it, right? It's like I taste the vinegar. The noodle is so good. You know, it's fresh, handly pulled. Chrysanthemum tea. It's your favorite? Chrysanthemum?
My most favorite teas.
Cool. Oh, flowery. Sarap. It's like chamomile. Sister of chamomile, I think, right? Delicious.
Specialize in teas like this. So good.
So good. Nah, delicious. Ah, okay. Where are we going? This way here? We're about to go home now, and yeah, thank you very much for being with us today on this Christmas diary day again. Hope that you enjoyed it. This is your girl Maria saying salamat. Thank you. Paalam. Bye. And we'll definitely see you on my next Christmas diary. Maligayang Pasko. Merry Christmas Day. Say it, maligayang Pasko. Bye. Did you like our shirts? My shirt is tada. It's so cute, right? Chess. And my boyfriend is so cute.